I'm West. Lucy's chasing squirrels. But today we're cooking. We're doing one-pot meals, baby. I've got onions, broccoli, garlic, and mushrooms with my sausage. Getting a little saute action going on. I already boiled the mac and cheese, standard mac and cheese. But I do want to saute the veggies and meat up so it's warm. Noodles are sitting here, waiting to go back in the pot because I only use one pot as much as possible. I'll get you back here in just a second when the saute is ready. Because garlic just isn't enough. The 3 spices that I carry with me are salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So I added a little of that, a little salt and pepper, just for taste, and then enough butter to kill a horse, but to make vegetables taste good. So this is a Kerrygold block of butter, which is 4 sticks. I used a quarter of it. Yeah, get at me, you people that don't like good tasting food or fat. We can have it out. We're almost ready here. You can see the vegetables cooked down pretty good. I have quite a bit of meat in there. I did more sausage than I usually do. But this is when the magic happens. Add back in the noodles. Nobody ever tells you how hard it is to cook with the camera in your hand. And yes, we're using the packaged cheese. Packaged cheese. And I'm going to add a little Kerrygold Gouda cheese. Using a chunk this size, like half a cube of butter. Yeah, get at me again. And you stir it all together until the cheese melts. I'm gonna have to add more butter too because it's not liquidy enough in there. Maybe I won't. I think I will though. When it's all mixed up really good, should look something like this. And this should easily feed 2 people, but there's only one of me, so I'm just gonna eat for 2 people. Had to chase that Gouda around for a while. And I'm certain it's boiling lava hot, so burn the shit out of your taste buds. That way it doesn't matter how bad it is. Pretty decent. Give it a 5 out of 7. Would eat again.